Hi everyone, I hope you can see this because it's really coming together. It's almost finished as the shop section. I've taken some close-up pictures for you, but I just want to run through it. Do you remember the two-tier thing? I actually made that yesterday because when you go to not B&Q, the garden centres and things like that, they tend to have stations where lots of things are. This shop sells ornaments, garden ornaments, as well as bird tables, lots of potted plants. I've added a rake here. There's bundles underneath of, I'm not sure if you can see it, bundles there that I've made up of wood. They just need gluing in. Ornaments. It sells lots of different things. Down here there's a ton of things that I've added. Little chairs, trowels, little forks, pumpkins, potted plants, a dozen red roses, little barras, lots of watering cans. There's 1, 2, 3, there's one there. There's just heaps and heaps. I've started putting the tools on, filling the shelves up. Even got a bird feeder. Look at that. And I'll be making some more for the outside. Now here, I love this section. We've got the bags of gravels and things like that. A little tortoise, a rabbit, some more bundles of wood, a seat, and we put one gnome on there. Behind that, I've got spade, toadstools, more pumpkins. He's got a rabbit here. The ornaments, garden ornaments, a nice selection of pumpkins here. I might just put one more on that. But I do love this section, like I say, and we've also got here another watering can, another seat, toadstools, plants. There's a little tiny cat sat under that little palm. Another tortoise there. Lots and lots of plants. I've even gone round the side. So I hope you like that because it's taking an awful lot to do it, but I love it. And I can't wait for it to be finished. I did make this plant myself, the big one, the big leafed one. I'm not sure if you can see that, look. Paper, well, card and wire, that's it, in a pot. Right then, love it. It's just coming along really well. I'm pleased as punch with it. But I can't wait to get on with the garden section. Oh, and by the way, I did name it, when you walk through this section to the garden, it's called Dream Garden. So I have to make sure it looks like a dream garden. Thanks for watching. Take care and watch out for the next bit. Bye-bye for now.